Up first this evening, government is rolling out a $2.7 billion program to help Jamaicans struggling to cope with the rising cost of living. The program includes a multi-million-dollar cleanup program for Jamaica 60. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark gave details on Thursday in Parliament. Andrea Chisholm reports.
Roughly $1.8 billion has been allocated for back-to-school grants. It's a one-off payment. Of that amount, $1.6 billion will be set aside for 160,000 students on the PATH program,
where they will get $10,000 per student. So if a family on PATH has 3 students, it will be $30,000.
For vulnerable students not on PATH, $189 million will be made available for back-to-school support. And with Jamaica 60 celebrations just around the corner, $739 million has been allocated
for an independence cleanup of parish capitals, of which $550 million will be allocated to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, $189 million through members of Parliament via the Constituency Development Fund. Amounts allocated via the Constituency Development Fund can be used for beautification, for bushing, drain cleaning, and for activities related to Jamaica 60.
Pensioners are also in the mix. NIS pensioners receiving less than $15,000 per month, as well as social pensioners, will get a combined total of $550 million. The local government ministry will also get $150 million to truck water to parishes experiencing drought. $550 million has also been allocated for general support to non-PATH beneficiaries. That will be managed through the Labour Ministry, Constituency Development Fund, and municipal corporations. In the meantime, opposition leader Mark Golding argued that the $2.7 billion program is just a drop in the bucket given the harsh economic climate. He, however, commended the move.
It's clear that the minister has decided to run with it a bit. It's obviously a response to the pressure that they're feeling, which we understand, because there's no doubt the people are suffering. We have been saying for some time the government must do more to cushion the crisis. This is a step in the right direction. At the end of the day, $2.7 billion of additional expenditure isn't even 1/5 of 1% of GDP. So it's not a huge amount of money to be spending on the society as a whole, given the situation that we're facing with the cost of living crisis that's on the people.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.